Dr. Linda Joy Rose of Raw Fusion Living for ehow.com, showing you how caramelized bananas are best served. There are so many things that you can do with caramelized bananas. You can put it over oatmeal, over waffles, pancakes, even make, instead of a strawberry shortcake, you can make a caramelized banana shortcake. But if you really want to impress people, this is one of my favorite ways. We're going to make a crepe. And so the first thing I'm going to do is actually add a little bit more caramel. And this is just some caramel that you get from a jar. And you want to spread the crepe. And you can find these crepes, and now it's very easy to find crepes in the produce section at the supermarket. Or if you're really ambitious, you can make your own crepes. All right, so you have this layer first. And then I have these bananas that I've caramelized with some maple syrup and brown sugar. Put that in the center. And then, well, I think it wouldn't be complete with some sort of a whipped topping on that too. So I'm going to put a little whipped topping, or you could use ice cream too. Just that the ice cream starts to melt so quickly. All right, now you could just roll it like that, but I think I'm going to give it a little bit of a tuck so that everything stays in there. So I'm going to tuck it in this way. And then just roll it this way. You've got to be really careful because these are very fragile and delicate, and they rip very easily. And then to make this very attractive, I'm going to take some chocolate sauce and just drizzle it over the top. Get a nice little drizzle. And we're going to top it off with some slivered almonds. And this is what I think is the best way to serve caramelized bananas. I'm Dr. Linda Joy Rose for ehow.com.